Welcome to Cooking with Jimmy. Today we're going to be making homemade chicken tacos. This is one of my favorite recipes. So as you can see, I'm over here dicing the chicken. Try to get everything pretty even. Always follow the safety precautions. So when you're cutting your chicken, grip your fingers inwards to avoid cutting your fingers. Alright, going to be moving on to our next step here. And we're cutting our tomatoes. We're also going to dice them as well. Here's an easy way to do it. Go ahead and slice through. Try to keep them pretty even. Alright. And flip them over. And you'll get them pretty much quartered. Nice even cuts. Simple. Remember, this is easy cooking. There we go. Now to cut your avocado. Go ahead and grab your avocado and you're going to slice through it until you hit the seed. Now you want to go around the seed. You're going straight down the middle. All the way around. And from this point, you're just going to pull apart. Easy, right? Now cut right through it. And use your knife to go underneath and get the avocado out. You don't want to get the skin. Alright, slice through. You're going to use these in the end for your tacos. It really gives it a good look and it really tastes good also. Okay, repeat the process. Go underneath. There you go. That's how it's done. Here we go with the lettuce. Go ahead and slice on through about halfway. And then in order to get the stem out, slice along the sides and take your time. You'll increase your speed over time as you gain more experience. Don't rush things. I've just been doing this for a little while, but this is easy home cooking. Get that stem out of there. Go ahead and shred up your lettuce for your tacos. Alright, this is the mise en place. You have your chicken, got your romaine lettuce, tomatoes, sour cream, avocados, and cheese. I like to fry my tortillas for my tacos. Some people, they like to bake their tortillas, but me, it just tastes better. It's more crunchiness to your taco in the end. So I'm going to use some black pepper here for the chicken. A little bit of salt, not too much salt though. But I am heavy-handed when I use the garlic and herb. I use a lot of garlic. Alright, we're going to mix everything on up. Get it nice and evenly mixed. And add it to your pan. Make sure your pan is on medium heat. You don't want it too high or too low. And we're going to cook that chicken off. Flip it on over so your tortillas take about 2 minutes. 1 minute on each side until brown. Stir everything on up real good. Now that your tortilla is nice and crunchy, you'll be taking it out pretty soon. And it's done. Alright, we're going to be adding our sauce. I like to use taco seasoning sauce. Other people can use taco sauce. It's really up to you. Remember, this is easy home cooking, so that's entirely up to you. Get it mixed up all over. Alright, now that looks good. Okay. So now that you got everything evenly mixed, chicken is cooked thoroughly, you're gonna get a close-up here of what it looks like. I remember throughout this process, I wash my hands about 7 to 8 times. I'm always cleaning my cutting board after I cut a new item. That's very important. And organization is very important. Mise en place means gather your ingredients. Let's get a close-up of that chicken. Awesome. Here's plating and presentation. Now you have your taco. You're gonna add a little bit of chicken to it. And have fun while you're doing this. This is the best part. Add a little bit of your tomatoes. And here's where those avocados come in handy. I love the colors, the visualization. When you're doing tacos, there's so many different elements, and the colors pop right out. And we'll be doing a close-up here, so that way you can see all those colors and how they pop. Get a good amount of sour cream on there. Here comes the close-up. Now visually that looks amazing. What you're going to do here is you're going to fold your taco over. I'll give you another look at it. As you can see, I'm very happy with the taco. Oh yeah, it looks amazing. One more time. That's how tacos are supposed to look. Once again, these are homemade chicken tacos. Let's go for a bite. Now that was good.